Hello everyone, welcome to the course A to Z Design of Rooftop Solar Power Plant. I am your solar coach Professor Kiran Beldar, trainer and rooftop solar system consultant. Also, I am professor of renewable energy in Mumbai University, India. In this course, we will detail discuss the design of a rooftop solar system. We will discuss each and every component required to design in the rooftop solar system. Also, we will see the case study, which is very important. With case study of 10 kilowatt, how to design each and every component like an inverter, the cable, and the charge controller, battery, the selection of solar panels, and the cables. Everything we will discuss in details. The topics to be covered in this course are introduction to the solar energy. We will discuss the basic concept of solar energy and its importance, the basics of earth-sun angle. We will see the detail, the earth-sun angle like an azimuth angle, the zenith angle, hour angle, the equation of time and everything. Basics of electrical. In this, we will discuss the Ohm's law and the Kirchhoff's law. Basics of semiconductor. We will discuss the number of semiconductor materials and which materials we are going to use in the solar cell. We will discuss the basic manufacturing and construction of solar cell, also the working of PN junction diode. We will discuss basics of solar panel. In this, we will discuss how to select a solar panel, how to choose a solar panel, how to choose a solar panel of different companies and the different types. We will also discuss the types of solar power system, that is the on-grid system, off-grid system, also an hybrid type of system. We will also discuss the circuit diagram of types of solar power systems. Net metering concept we will going to study in this course. The gross metering, net metering concept, the feed-in tariff concept we will going to discuss detail in this course. The solar panel tilt angle, how to choose the solar panel tilt angle, solar panel array angle. We will see in detail how to mount a solar panel over a roof, everything in detail. The shadow analysis over the solar array, we will discuss in detail how to do the shadow analysis if the tree is going to be present or the building is there or the antenna is present over the roof, everything. Bypass diode and the hotspot heating, this is also we are going to discuss if what happens if a shadow is coming continuously over a solar panel, how the hotspot heating is going to occur and how to avoid this hotspot heating. Also, we will going to discuss the detailed energy yield estimation. Here we are taking the number of numerous derated parameters like the temperature effect, the manufacturing tolerances effect and soiling effect, everything we are taking here. Finally, we are calculating the monthly energy yield estimation and the yearly energy yield estimation. Also, we will see in detail the specific energy yield estimation and the performance ratio, how to calculate it, the performance ratio of a solar power system. We will discuss in detail each and every component of a solar system like a solar inverter, which kind of solar inverter we should choose, how to choose the MPPTs, how to choose the strings, and how to choose the inverter like on-grid, off-grid and hybrid type of inverter. We will also discuss in detail like solar batteries, how many types of batteries are there, which battery is feasible for off-grid type of solar system, how to connect the batteries in the series and the parallel connection, everything. Solar charge controller, we will see the function of charge controller in detail, how the charge controller charges the battery and what is the importance of a charge controller in the off-grid type of solar system. Also, we will discuss in detail the solar string combiner box, what is the major function of string combiner box, how to connect the strings into string combiner box, how to connect the SPD to the string combiner box. We will also discuss in detail the solar wires and the cables. In that, we are going to discuss the DC wire, the design of DC wire and the AC wire, how to choose the wire according to the AWG standards, how to choose the cross section and diameter of wire. Also, we will going to discuss the ampacity calculation, also the voltage drop calculation, and to choose a proper cable for our solar power plant. We will going to discuss the solar cable management, how to do the proper management of a cable when we are installing a bigger type of solar capacity power plant, the type of cable trays, the type of cable conduit that we are using for cable management, everything will be going to discuss in detail in the cable management system. We will also discuss the solar panel mounting structure, how many types of mounting structures were there, which mounting structure should be selected for which type of construction, how many type of materials are present, how many type of design of mounting structures are there, roof types are there. Everything we will discuss in detail in the section of solar panel mounting structure. We will discuss the civil mounting, civil construction and the foundation, which type of foundation we should use, which type of construction we should use while doing the solar power manufacturing or the solar power installation. Solar power system, earthing system will going to be discussed in detail, how many types of earthings are there, how to do the earthing, how to connect the solar panel to the earth, how to connect the system in the safety environment. Solar array grounding, we will discuss the how to connect the solar array to the grounding or the earthing, everything in detail, so we can safeguard our system. Solar system lightning protection and surge protection devices, we will discuss in detail how many types of surge protection devices are there, what is the function of the SPD, how to do the lightning protection for our solar system, in short how to safeguard our system from the external interferences. The cable connector, we will discuss the MC4 types of cable connector, cable glands, cable trays, everything we are going to discuss in the cable connectors. Next is the installation tool used in the solar system, how many types of tools we require to while installing a solar system, everything for battery maintenance, for solar power maintenance, and for everything the power plant maintenance tools that we are generally required while installation. We will discuss in detail with its own function, each function, everything. The next is testing of solar power plant. Once we installed a solar power plant, the very most important step is to test the solar power plant. How many types of tests are there to test our solar power plant, whether the installation is proper or not. Operation and maintenance of solar power system. When we are installing a solar power system, that should be run for 25 years. How to operate and how to maintain that the solar power plant for 25 years. Everything with the methods and the procedure we are going to discuss in this section. Commissioning of solar power plant. Before holding the solar power plant to the customer, how to commission the solar system in detail, the procedure we are going to discuss here. We will also discuss the practical demonstration, or we will also show the practical demonstration for installation of rooftop type of solar power plant. Here we will discuss how to construct a solar power plant, how to construct the foundation, how to construct the mounting structure, how to put the solar panel, how to join the solar panel over the mounting structure, how to connect the wire between the MC4 connectors in between the two solar panels, how to pre-connect the pre-assembled cable to the string combiner box, how to connect the string combiner box to the inverter, and how to connect the inverter to the AC combiner box, solar net meter, and the switching panel. Everything in detail we are going to discuss. We are going to see the practical demonstration of installation of rooftop solar power plant. And for most importantly, we are going to discuss the case study. This case study is having a case study of 10 kilowatt on-grid rooftop solar system. Here we are going to discuss the mathematical manual calculation, how to select the solar panel, how to connect the solar panel, how to balance the voltage and the current of solar panel, how to select the string combiner box, how to check the specification of net meter, how to calculate the ampacity and the voltage drop of DC and AC cabling. Everything going to be detailed we will discuss in this case study. This is very much important. Now we will start our course. I hope you will enjoy this course and you will learn a lot more from this course. Thank you so much.